real اصلی. this is real gold. دا اصلی سره زر دی. this is real gold. reflect منعکس کول. the mirror reflects my face. هنداره زما مخ منعکس کوي. the mirror reflects my face. regard ګڼل. I regard him as my brother. زه هغه خپل ورور ګڼم. I regard him as my brother. regard لحاظ. She has no regard for rules. هغه د قوانین هیڅ لحاظ نه کوي. She has no regard for rules. regard عزت. I have great regard for you. زه ستا ډیر عزت کوم. I have great regard for you. serve پیش کول. They served food to the guests. هغوی میلمنو ته خوراک پیش کړو. They served food to the guests. serve خدمت. They serves the nation. هغوی د قام خدمت کوي. They serves the nation. vegetable سبزی. I eat vegetables every day. زه هره ورځ سبزیانې خورم. I eat vegetables every day. war جنگ. war brings destruction. جنگ تباهی راولي. war brings destruction. worth قیمت. This watch is worth a lot of money. د دې ګړۍ قیمت ډیر زیات دی. This watch is worth a lot of money. worth لایق. This book is worth reading. دا کتاب د لوستلو لایق دی. This book is worth reading. appear راښکاره. He suddenly appeared at the door. هغه ناڅاپه په ور کې راښکاره شو. He suddenly appeared at the door. base بنیاد. Honesty is the base of trust. ایمانداری د باور بنیاد دی. Honesty is the base of trust. brain مازغه. Use your brain to solve problems. د مسلو حل کولو د پاره مازغه استعمال کړه. Use your brain to solve problems. career پیشه. What career do you want? ته کومه پیشه غواړې. What career do you want? clerk منشي. The clerk helped me with my work. منشي ما سره زما په کار کې مرسته وکړه. The clerk helped me with my work. effort خسه. خسه یعنی کوشش. hard work and effort lead to success. مهنت او خسه بریالیتوب طرف ته وړل کوي. بریالیتوب یعنی کامیابی. hard work and effort lead to success. enter ننوتل. He entered the room silently. هغه غلی شانتی کمرې ته ننوتو. He entered the room silently. excellent ډیر ښه. She gave an excellent speech. هغه ډیر ښه تقریر وکړو. She gave an excellent speech. Hero اتل. He is the hero of this movie. هغه د دې فلم اتل دی. He is the hero of this movie. Hurry تادي. Please hurry, we are late. تادي کوئ په موږ ناوخته دی. Please hurry, we are late. Inform خبر. Please inform me about the meeting. د غونډې په اړه ما خبر کړئ. Please inform me about the meeting. Later وروستو. I will call you later. زه به درته وروستو زنګ ووهم. I will call you later. Leave پرېږدل. Leave me alone. ما یوازې پرېږده. Leave me alone. Leave تلل. She left the house early. هغه د کور نه سحر وختي لاړه. She left the house early. Locate پیدا کول. Can you locate my keys? آیا ته زما کنجیانې پیدا کولی شي؟ کنجیانې یعنې چابیانې. Can you locate my keys? Nurse دایی. The nurse took care of the patient. دایی د ناروغه پاملرنه وکړه. The nurse took care of the patient. Operation جراحي. The doctor performed an operation. طبیب جراحي وکړه. The doctor performed an operation. Pain درد. He is feeling pain in his leg. د هغه په خپه کې درد دی. He is feeling pain in his leg. Refuse انکار کول. He refused to help me. هغه زما د کومک کولو نه انکار وکړو. He refused to help me. تو بیا هم. He is tired. تو he keeps working. هغه ستړی دی خو بیا هم کار کوي. He is tired. تو he keeps working. Various ډول ډول. ډول ډول یعنی رنګارنګ. There are various colors to choose from. د ټاکلو دپاره ډول ډول رنګونه شته دی. There are various colors to choose from. Actual اصلي. This is the actual price of the phone. دا د فون اصلي قیمت دی. This is the actual price of the phone. Amaze حیرانېدل. His talent amazes everyone. د هغه صلاحیت ټول حیرانوي. His talent amazes everyone. Charge وصول. The shopkeeper charged me extra money. دکاندار زمانه سیوا پیسې وصول کړي. The shopkeeper charged me extra money. Comfort آرام. A soft bed gives comfort. نرم بستره آرام ورکوي. A soft bed gives comfort. Contact رابطه. Please contact me if you need help. که تا ته د کومک ضرورت وي نو ما سره رابطه وکړه. Please contact me if you need help. Customer ګاهک. The customer bought a new dress. ګاهک نوي جامې واغستې. The customer bought a new dress. Deliver رسول. They deliver food to your home. هغوی خوراک ستا کور ته رسوي. They deliver food to your home. earn ګټل. he works hard to earn money. هغه د پیسو ګټلو دپاره محنت کوي. he works hard to earn money. gate دروازه. the gate was locked at night. دروازه د شپې بند وه. the gate was locked at night. include شاملول. please include me in your team. ما در سره په خپله ډله کې شامل کړه. please include me in your team. manage سنبالول. he managed the event well. هغه تقریب په ښه طریقې سره سنبال کړو. he managed the event well. mystery راز. the case remains a mystery. دا معامله اوس هم یو راز دی. the case remains a mystery. occur واقع کېدل. accidents occur due to careless driving. په لاپرواهۍ سره ګاډي چلولو د وجې پیښې رامنځته کیږي. accidents occur due to careless driving. opposite مخامخ. the bank is opposite to the hospital. bank اسپتال ته مخامخ دی. the bank is opposite to the hospital. plate کاسه. she put the food on a plate. هغې په کاسه کې خوراک کېښود. she put the food on a plate. receive ترلاسه کول. I received your message. ما ستا پیغام ترلاسه کړو. I received your message. reward انعام. he got a reward for his honesty. هغه ته د ایماندارۍ انعام میلاو شو. he got a reward for his honesty. sit ترتیب کول. she set the table for dinner. هغې د خوراک دپاره میز ترتیب کړو. she set the table for dinner. د دې نورو ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو دپاره د چینل PE everyone سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل د آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ. نورې چې کومې ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو به ترې په وخت خبریږئ. Thanks for watching.